I was at the Carlisle event and there was tons of classic cars there for sale. So let's go check them out. Starting with this 1966 Pontiac GTO. It has the burgundy exterior, and other than the aftermarket wheels, it looks totally stock. The interior is black with bucket seats and a console. A quick fact about GTOs, more 66 GTOs were produced than any other year. Under the hood is a numbers matching 389 with the tri-power intake and carbs. The engine does have 67 heads installed on it. The engine is matched to a 4-speed transmission. The GTO has had a complete restoration, including the front and rear suspension. It also came with power steering and brakes. The asking price for this car is $64,900. The next car is a 1960 Chevy El Camino. It has beautiful red paint and interior with a bench seat and column shifter. 1960 was just the second year of the El Camino. They only sold about 14,000 and it was discontinued until 1964. Under the hood is the optional 348 V8, which was rated at 320 horsepower. The car has AC, power steering and brakes, and aftermarket wheels and tires. The asking price is $34,500. This 1965 Chrysler New Yorker is a survivor and all original with just 24,000 miles. The car was purchased originally by Mr. and Mrs. Ali in 1965. It was transferred to their son Howard in 1985, and the car has remained in the family the whole time. Under the hood is a 413 engine, which was rated at 340 horsepower. Included is the original window sticker and other documents. The asking price is $24,500. If you enjoy seeing classic cars, then click the subscribe button below to be notified of my future videos. Here's a beautiful example of a rare 1936 Ford Phaeton. It has the sloped rear and painted in Washington blue. The brown leather interior looks just as nice and has the banjo style steering wheel. The ribbed grille and teardrop headlights make the front look just as elegant as the rest of the car. It has the optional side curtains with plastic windows for the bad weather. The asking price is $58,000. This 1971 Cutless Supreme has a rocket 350 engine. The white interior looks great with bucket seats and a console with an automatic shifter. The black exterior with red pinstripes and white top is a great color combo. The Cutlass has power windows and AC from the factory. The asking price is $28,000. The next car is a rare 1973 Chevy Chev El SS with the 454. They only made about 2,500 of the Super Sports with the 454, but this one has a 4-speed and makes it even rarer. About only 600 of these were produced in '73. It came with a rear gear ratio of 342, but currently has 411s. The asking price is $24,000. This 1969 Camaro has a 572 cubic inch big block with aluminum heads. It has 750 horsepower. The Camaro is blue with a black interior, bucket seats, and the shifter on the floor. It has meaty rear tires with the rally rims. The car is white stripes, and the asking price is $43,500. Which car did you like the best? Let us know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.